Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 10 stocks in which FIIs had raised their stake in September quarter. So totally in a number of 300 stocks, they had raised their stake and reduced in 500 stocks. So I am listing out only the top 10. I can't say top 10, a list of 10 stocks in which they have raised their stake in the September quarter. So we'll get in and see which are those 10 stocks and a quick review of it. So the stock prices as of 7th November 2019. First one on the list is HDFC AMC, which is HDFC Asset Management Company. Its current share price is 2,948 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,305, whereas the high is 3,139. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 52. The PB is 20. The ROCE is 51, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 55. The promoter holding is 82%. 542 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns we have only 1 year return because this came into stock market very recently, around 1.5 years ago. So we only have 1 year return, which is 109%, and the YTD return. So there are no target price because we are looking into the stocks which FII had raised their stake. So the YTD returns is 94%, and this is one of my recent favorite stock, and I'm holding it from very long time. Next one on the list is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. So its current share price is 230 rupees. The 52-week low is 77, whereas the high is 249. The industry PE is 15, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 17, whereas the debt to equity is 0.03. The TTM EPS is 14. The promoter holding is 74%. 198 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns here also we only have 1 year return because even this is very new to the stock market. So it has given us a return of 148%, and the YTD returns is 141%. Next one on the list is Aavas Financial. The current share price is 1,553 rupees. The 52-week low is 612, whereas the high is 1,734. The industry PE is 24, whereas the company PE is 52. The PB is 6. The ROCE is 10, whereas the debt to equity is 1.70. The TTM EPS is 29. The promoter holding is 58%. 840 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. This is also new to stock market, so we have only 1 year return. It is 125%, and the stock's YTD returns is 73%. Next one on the list is AstraZeneca Pharma. Its current share price is 2,525 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,306, whereas the high is 2,809. The industry PE is 29, whereas the company PE is 92. The PB is 21. The ROCE is 26, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 27. The promoter holding is 75%. 176 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, whereas the returns, the stock has given us very good return. For 1 year, it has given us a return of 48%, for 3 years, 37%, and for 5 years, it has given us a return of 23%. The YTD returns are 73%. Next one on the list is Kei Industries. So its current share price is 1,392. The 52-week low is 696, whereas the high is 1,448. The industry PE is 45, whereas the company PE is 42. The PB is 8. The ROCE is 24, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 33. The promoter holding is 51%. 3,047 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. For 1 year, it has given us a return of 69%. For 3 years, 18%. And for 5 years, it has given us a return of 26%. The YTD returns are 62%. Next one on the list is SBI Life Insurance Company. Its current share price is 988 rupees. The 52-week low is 515, whereas the high is 1030. The industry PE is 77, whereas the company PE is 79. The PB is 12. The ROCE is 23, whereas there is no debt with the company, which is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 12. The promoter holding is 62%. 4,930 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. Even this came into stock market around 1.5 years ago, so the 1 year return is 67%. The YTD returns are 62.07%. Next one on the list is Fine Organic Industries. So its current share price is 1,921. The 52-week low is 1,012, whereas the high is 2,076. The industry PE is 13, whereas the company PE is 45. The PB is 11. The ROCE is 43, whereas the debt to equity is 0.26. The TTM EPS is 43. Promoter holding is 75%. 786 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. This also we have only 1 year return, which is given us a return of 74%, and the YTD returns are 61%. Next one on the list is HDFC Life Insurance Company. Its current share price is 582 rupees. The 52-week low is 344, whereas the high is 646. The industry PE is 77, whereas the company PE is 87. The PB is 20. The ROCE is 29, whereas the debt equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 6. The promoter holding is 71%. 3,939 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Returns this also came into stock market 1 year ago, so we only have 1 year return, which is 47%. The YTD returns are 51%. Next one on the list is ICICI Lombard General Insurance. Its current share price is 1,321. The 52-week low is 757, whereas the high is 1,399. The industry PE is 52, whereas the company PE is 55. The PB is 11. The ROCE is 22, whereas the debt to equity is 0.09. The TTM EPS is 23. Promoter holding is 55%. 4,591 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. Even this stock is, which got listed in the stock market around 1 year ago. So we only have 1 year returns here, which is 51%, and the YTD returns are 49%. Next one and the last one on the list is Kei Industries. Its current share price is 542 rupees. The 52-week low is 248, whereas the high is 614. The industry PE is 21, whereas the company PE is 22. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 29, whereas the debt to equity is 0.77. The TTM EPS is 24. The promoter holding is 45%. 686 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 41%. For 3 years, 66%. And for 5 years, it is given us a return of 71%. The YTD returns are 46%. So these are the 10 stocks from that 300 stocks which I wanted to let you all know. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side, but this is one of my favorite video because in 10, 5 are my favorite. It is like PI Industries, KI Industry, HDFC Asset Management, HDFC Life, and Fine Organic. So these are my 5 favorite stocks from this list. So those are my favorite. After my research and after my analysis, I have chose to invest. But if at all you all want to invest, please do your research. You all can check out my other videos to find out the parameters, in which stock to invest, what are the parameters to be seen, and everything. And you all can see in the top list, these stocks are in the top list, which has given us good returns, like good YTD returns, are these 10 stocks. And you all can see all the returns are very good. And many of the stocks have came into stock market or got listed into stock market around 1.5 years or 2 years ago or 1 year ago, because in those stocks only FII has invested a lot. So you all can see, if the foreign institutional investors are investing, it is a good stock. So that is one of the criteria to be seen, like what is the percentage of FII's investment into a stock. So check out my other videos. I will link it in the end, those videos which I have spoken about the parameters to be checked out and everything in the end, so you all can go check out there. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.